history of literature. The tale of the turnip. Okay, the tale means the story of the turnip. Turnip is a vegetable. Okay, it looks like this, and in Hindi we call it shalgam. So this is tale is of turnip. Here in this story, that is old little man who plants turnip seeds, who sow turnip seeds in the garden, and one of the turnip seed grows into a big turnip. Okay, one of the turnip receives sunlight, and the old man waters the turnips every day, the seeds every day, and one fine day it becomes very big, it grows very big, enormous size. Okay, and that turnip is as big as the old man. It has become now twice big. Okay, twice the size of the old man. And then when it becomes more big, then old man decides to pull it out. Old man decides to pull the turnip, and he can't pull the turnip. So he takes the help of his family members, and then finally with the teamwork they can pull the turnip. So we will now read it from the book.
Let's read the story, The Tale of the Turnip. Chapter 3, The Tale of Turnip. The Tale of the Turnip, written by Olive Gifford. Once upon a time, there lived a little old man, a little old woman, a little girl, a black and white cat, and a wee grey mouse. wee means very small, and a wee grey means very small mouse. They all lived together in a little house down under a hill. हिल के नीचे, पहाड़ी के नीचे, वैली रीजन में इनका घर था. एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा घर था. One day, the little old man said to his wife. एक दिन ओल्ड मैन ने अपनी वाइफ ओल्ड वुमन को कहा, I am going into the garden to sow a seed. I am going into the garden to sow a seed. मैं जो सीड है वो सो करने के लिए, मैं सीड उगाने के लिए गार्डन में जा रहा हूँ, मैं उगाने वाला हूँ. A seed, said his wife. And surprisingly, his wife said, A seed? What kind of seed? A turnip seed, replied the little old man. What kind of seed you are going to sow? He replied, A turnip seed. So he took his spade and went to sow his turnip seed. Spade is a digging tool. Okay, spade is a digging tool. So he took turnip seeds. He planted turnip seeds. Okay. He took his spade and went to sow his turnip seeds. He dug with the help of this spade. He dug a wee hole. Wee means small hole. And he popped the seed in. और उसके अंदर उन्होंने सीड डाला. ओके, सॉइल को डग किया, छोटा सा होल बनाया और उसमें सीड डाला. देयर ही सेड टू हिमसेल्फ, खुद को उसने बोला, देयर आई हैव सोन माई सीड. ओके, यहाँ पर मैंने अपना सीड लगा दिया है. ओके, सीड डाल दिया है. नाउ आई मस्ट वाटर इट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट I have to do, I must water it to make it grow into a fine big turnip. मैं अब इसकी केयर करूँगा, इसको पानी रोज़ दूंगा और फिर ये एक बड़ा टर्निप इसमें आ जाएगा. ओके, ग्रो हो जाएगा. Each morning the little old man went out to water his turnip seed. Okay, every morning regularly the old man went out to water this turnip seed, and each day the sun shone down on the little seed and it began to grow. ठीक है, रोज़ जो टर्निप सीड है उसको रोज़ वाटर मिलता था. ओके, लिटिल ओल्ड मैन उन्हें वाटर सप्लाई करते थे, वाटर करते थे, और सनलाइट है वो उसे सनलाइट मिलती थी. ओके, सन से उसको सनलाइट मिलती थी. हियर शोन, SHONE, शोन, शोन मीन्स पास्ट टेंस ऑफ शाइन. ओके, सो रोज सन शाइन करता था. ओके, सन शोन and the seeds received the sunlight and slowly it began to grow. It grew and it grew and it grew. It grew and it grew and it grew. It grew until it was a big, okay, it was as big as the old man's head. वो उगता गया, उगता चला गया, उगता रहा. ओके, और ओल्ड मैन के हेड तक वो उग चुका है अब. एंड इट इज स्टिल ग्रोइंग एंड ग्रोइंग. ओके, इट स्टिल ग्रू, इट ग्रू एंड इट ग्रू until it was twice as big as the old man's head. Okay, first it grew and reached till old man's head, and then too it grew again and reached twice as the old man's head. Okay, old man से वो डबल उग चुका है. सो इतना बड़ा हो चुका है वो टर्निप. ओके, when it measured 3 times as old as old man's head. Okay, when it measured 3 times as much as the old man's head. जब वो 3 times उग चुका है तब ओल्ड मैन और उनकी वाइफ सोचते हैं कि अब हम इस टर्निप को बाहर निकालते हैं. When it measured 3 times as much as old man's head, the old man said to his wife, "Today I'm going to pull up the turnip." आज मैं इस टर्निप को निकालने वाला हूँ. Put a big pot on the fire and get some water boiling and we will all have boiled turnip for dinner. ओल्ड मैन है वो कहता है आज टर्निप को मैं निकालूंगा. ओके, इसीलिए तुम बड़ा सा पॉट लो जिसमें हम इतनी सारी टर्निप, इतने सारा वो टर्निप हम बॉईल कर सके. ओके, बड़ा टर्निप है ना, तो तुम सबसे बड़ा पॉट लो ताकि हम टर्निप उसमें बॉईल कर सकें. एंड पुट अ बिग पॉट ऑन फायर एंड गेट सम वाटर बॉइलिंग. तुम बॉईल करो वाटर को एंड आज हम बॉइल्ड टर्निप खाएंगे डिनर में. ओके, ऐसा ओल्ड मैन बोलता है अपनी वाइफ ओल्ड वुमन को. द लिटल ओल्ड वुमन गॉट अ पॉट, द बिगेस्ट पॉट शी कुड फाइंड. अभी उसकी वाइफ है वो भी अरेंजमेंट्स करती है. ओके, शी ऑल्सो finds biggest pot in the house and she finds as big pot as she could find and she fills it with water. Little old woman got a pot, the biggest pot she could find in the house, and she filled it with water and put it on the fire. तो वो ढूंढती है, उसमें पानी डालती है और पानी डालकर वो पानी को उबालने रखती है. ओके, she keeps this water, the pot filled with water on the fire, and the little old woman boiled the water, started boiling the water. The little old man went out into the garden. ओल्ड मैन है वो गार्डन में गया है, गार्डन में जा रहा है. to pull out the turnip. Okay, to pull the turnip out. He took hold of the turnip and pulled. वो टर्निप को पकड़ते हैं और वो खींचते हैं. Old man tries to pull it. Okay, so he took hold of the turnip and he pulled it. He pulled and pulled and pulled. But he could not pull up the turnip. पर उसको बाहर खींच के नहीं निकाल पा रहे हैं. So the little old man called the little old woman, "Wife, wife, come and help me pull up the turnip." Okay, old man calls his wife for help, and then they try to hold the turnip and pull it out. The little old woman took hold of the little old man, and they pulled, but they could not pull up the turnip. Okay, so turnip है वो ओल्ड मैन पकड़ता है और ओल्ड मैन को ओल्ड वुमन पकड़ती है और दोनों खींचते हैं, बट फिर भी टर्निप बाहर नहीं निकलता है. देन द लिटिल ओल्ड वुमन कॉल्ड द लिटिल गर्ल. ओके, फिर वुमन ने गर्ल को भी बुलाया. ओके, लिटिल ओल्ड वुमन कॉल्ड द लिटिल गर्ल मीन्स कॉल्ड देयर डॉटर. Little girl, come and help us pull up the turnip. Little girl, आप आओ हमारी मदद करो, ये टर्निप निकालने में हमारी मदद करो. So the little girl hold the little old woman, and the little old woman took the hold of little old man, and they pulled and they pulled and they pulled, but they could not pull up the turnip. Okay, so again what happens, that old man is holding the turnip and he is pulling it, and old woman is holding old man, and girl is holding her mother, that is old woman. तीनों एक दूसरे को कस के पकड़ के खींचते हैं. ओके, पर फिर भी टर्निप है वो बाहर नहीं निकलता. ओके, सो द लिटिल गर्ल कॉल्ड द ब्लैक एंड वाइट कैट. लिटिल कैट, विल यू कम एंड हेल्प अस पुल अप द टर्निप. सो द गर्ल कॉल्ड द कैट. लिटिल कैट, will you come and help us pull up the turnip? The black and white cat came running into the garden, and the black and white cat took hold of the little girl. ठीक है, ब्लैक एंड वाइट जो उनकी कैट है वो भी दौड़ के आ जाती है गार्डन में और वो भी उनकी मदद करती है. ओके, सो अगेन क्या होता है कि मैन है वो टर्निप को पकड़ते हैं और टर्निप को खींचते हैं, और ओल्ड वुमन मैन को पकड़ के खींचते हैं, और गर्ल है वो वुमन को पकड़ती है, और कैट है वो गर्ल को पकड़ती है. ओके, सो ऐसा होता है दैट वाइट और ब्लैक कैट है वो गर्ल को पकड़ती है. द लिटिल गर्ल took hold of little old woman, and the little old woman took the hold of little old man, and then they pulled and they pulled again, and they pulled, but they could not pull up the turnip. खींचते हैं, they apply their force, but they can't pull out the turnip. So even after the help of black and white cat, the turnip can't be pulled out. So then what happens? Then the black and white cat called the wee grey mouse. Wee grey mouse, wee grey mouse, come and help us pull up the turnip. Okay, so this cat calls wee grey mouse. Okay, how she calls? She calls, wee grey mouse, wee grey mouse, come and help us pull up the turnip. The wee grey mouse came running out of the house. Okay, घर से वो दौड़ते हुए माउस है वो आता है. एंड देन द वीक ग्रे माउस टुक द होल्ड ऑफ द कैट एंड okay, then what happens? The mouse holds the cat. The cat holds the girl holds the old woman holds old man, and old man holds the turnip, and they all apply force together and try to pull the turnip. They pulled and they pulled and they pulled. At last came up the turnip. Okay, बहुत खींचने के बाद आखिर में टर्निप है वो बाहर आ जाती है. ओके, इन दिस इमेज यू कैन सी हाउ दे वर पुलिंग. ओके, द मैन इज होल्डिंग द टर्निप, द ओल्ड वुमन इज होल्डिंग द मैन, द गर्ल इज होल्डिंग वुमन, cat is holding the little girl, and rat, I mean mouse, is holding the cat. Okay, तो ऐसे वो साथ में टर्निप को खींचते हैं और फाइनली टर्निप बाहर आ जाता है. ओके, द ओल्ड मैन फेल ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द लिटिल ओल्ड वुमन, द लिटिल ओल्ड वुमन फेल ऑन टॉप ऑफ लिटिल गर्ल, द लिटिल गर्ल फेल ऑन टॉप ऑफ ब्लैक एंड वाइट cat, and the black and white cat fell on top of wee grey mouse. और खींचते हैं और फिर वो एक दूसरे पे ऊपर गिरते भी है. ओके, बिकॉज दे अप्लाइड प्रेशर एंड नाउ द टर्निप इज uprooted, turnip is successfully pulled out, so they also go backwards, right, and they fell on each other. They all got up. They all got up and they took the turnip indoors. Then what happened? They all stood up and they took the turnip, and the turnip was very heavy and very enormous. Okay, it was very very big. Okay, and they took the turnip indoors, means inside the house. Okay, वो लोग घर के अंदर टर्निप को ले गए. It was so heavy and they could hardly lift it. Okay, बहुत ही भारी थी और वो मुश्किल से उसे उठा पा रहे थे. Okay, they could hardly lift it, and it measured 3 times as old as the old man's head. Okay, तो बड़ी दिक्कतों के बाद बहुत मुश्किल से वो लोग टर्निप अंदर ले जाते हैं. और टर्निप की साइज़ कितनी थी? टर्निप वॉज 3 times as much as the old man's head. Okay, ओल्ड मैन से थ्राइस थी टर्निप की साइज. ओके, when they got indoors, the little old woman cut it up. ओके, जब वो घर के अंदर चलते हैं, घर के अंदर पहुंच जाते हैं, फिर क्या होता है? ओल्ड वुमन है वो टर्निप को काटते हैं. ओके, when they got indoors, the little old woman cut it up and put it into big pot of boiling water. Then she chopped it and then she put it into the big pot of boiling water, and they all had boiled turnip for dinner. वो बॉयल करती है टर्निप को और फिर रात के खाने में, रात का खाना मीन्स एट द नाइट टाइम मील मीन्स डिनर, एंड इन डिनर दे ईट दिस बॉइल्ड टर्निप. ओके, what they have in dinner? They have boiled turnip in dinner, and they are very happy because they did hard work in taking out this turnip. So the moral of this chapter is, when we work together, okay, when we work in unity, we can achieve the results which we want. Okay, we can be successful and we will be happy with all our efforts. So this is the moral of the chapter.
Okay, the tale of the turnip. This story was short story, but the message behind the story touched our hearts. The message of this chapter, this story, is that we should believe in teamwork. When we unitedly work, even the impossible task can be made possible. Okay, here you saw in the story that how old man and his family together pulled the turnip, and then they all enjoyed the boiled turnip in dinner. Okay, similarly, we can have fun even when we are in unity. Okay, so this is a very good chapter. You read the story again, you read the chapter, and if you are having doubt, you can contact me and ask me, and you have to solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay, exercise भी आपको solve करनी है. Okay children, we will meet in the next video tutorial. Till then, bye, take care.